Exercises for the older adult. This video will instruct you on various exercises for the older adult that can help in improving mobility and muscle strength without excess strain on the heart. The CDC recommends performing muscle strengthening exercises at least 2 days a week. Upper body clamshell helps improve shoulder flexibility and stability.
For this exercise, this can be done sitting or standing. You're going to form a goal post with your arms, and then you're going to bring your arms back to the front of your face and then set them back down. This promotes shoulder stability, scapular retraction, and shoulder flexibility.
Semi-sits help strengthen knee muscles and increase blood flow and oxygen to the knee joint.
Okay, this exercise is called semi-sits. They're a good way to build muscle strength. Bending and stretching the knee helps strengthen the knee muscle and increase blood and oxygen flow to the knee joints. For this exercise, you're going to stand in front of a chair with your feet hip width apart, and then you're going to engage your core muscles and slowly lower your body to the chair, and once you lightly touch the chair, you're going to stand back up.
Seated abdominal press helps strengthen core to promote overall stability and mobility.
So this is the seated abdominal press. We're going to first start by sitting down on the chair, and we're going to make sure that your back is aligned very straight, and you're going to make sure that your feet is on the floor, shoulder width apart. Take your hands and you're going to rest your palms on your knees. So for this exercise, you're going to imagine as if your belly button and you're bringing it back to the back of your spine. So engage that core and make sure to tighten it for about 30 seconds, and then you're going to release. And do this about 3 to 5 times, and you're done with the exercise.
Side bends helps prevent immobility and maintain proper muscle and joint function.
Alright, so this is going to be the side bend, and this is good for engaging the core and maintaining muscle and joint function. What you're going to do is start in the chair with your feet flat on the ground, and you're going to bring one hand behind your head and one hand out. You're going to bend to the side without dropping your chest, like you're touching the ground, and then you're going to come back up and then do it on the other side as well.
Low back rotation stretch help improve range of motion and reduce back pain and stiffness.
Lower back can be a source of a lot of pain and stiffness for older adults. A good stretch for it is if you sit down with your feet planted on the ground, and if you rotate this way, holding onto the back of the chair, and hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, and then rotate back the other way and hold that stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. It will improve back flexibility and reduce pain and stiffness.
Prone knee bending help maintain mobility of the pelvis and legs.
Okay, I'm going to be demonstrating how to do prone knee position stretching. This is to keep mobility of the legs and the pelvic area. So you're going to lie down on the ground and just extend your foot towards your buttocks and hold it for about 30 seconds on each foot.
Hip knee bending help improve pelvic stability and hip mobility.
Hi, I'm going to be demonstrating hip knee bending. So first you're going to lift your leg up and then move your knee to your chest and hold 1, 2, 3, bring it down, and this is going to help with pelvic stability and hip mobility.
Wall push-ups help strengthen arms, shoulders, and chest.
The exercise I'm going to be demonstrating is wall push-ups. This helps with chest, shoulder, and arm strength. What you're going to do is you're going to find a nice sturdy wall, get an arm's length away. You're going to have your feet and hands shoulder width apart, and you're going to go down on a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up on a 4 count. You're going to do this 10 times for 1 set.
In addition to performing muscle strengthening exercises, the CDC recommends that 30 minutes of aerobic exercises should be performed 5 times per week to improve heart health. Examples of aerobic exercises are brisk walking, jogging, swimming, and cycling. Other lifestyle adjustments that can help improve heart health are eating a healthy diet, which are healthy choices that include more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean meats, and low-fat dairy products. eating less salt, saturated fat, and added sugars. Mindful drink choices, which are to replace drinks with high calories or high in sugar with water. Medications, which are to take your medications as directed carefully. Ask your doctor about any medications you don't understand, and never stop taking a medication without consulting your doctor or pharmacist first. Finally, talk to your doctor. Understand your risk factors for heart disease and talk to your doctor about your health history.